Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram feedback required. So, if you want to log in to Instagram, then Instagram shows this kind of page, error, feedback required, and if you go for OK, then again Instagram shows this error. So, in this situation, you have to first change your connection or data to another one. Okay, then go for your Play Store and go for search Instagram and update your Instagram if it's available here. And if I go for Chrome browser and search here, that is Instagram down, go for down detector here, go back, and you can see this is the maybe this is the reason of this error. Sometimes the Instagram is down, that's why this page is appear. So you have to wait for just some hours, few hours, 1 or 2 3. You have to just wait. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.